My name's Heather.
My name's Mitch. Welcome to Tribe Country Farms.
Come on in. So aquaponics is the combination of growing fish and plants in one recirculating system. We pride ourselves on being certified naturally grown.
We wash our hands every time we enter the greenhouse because we are a very biosecure area.
This is where we get our tilapia started. When we get them, they're about half a gram, and they stay in these tanks for 2 months.
So the water from our nursery fish tanks goes to our clarifier where the waste is filtered out, down to our raft beds where all our basil is grown.
Once the tilapia reach 50 grams, we put them in the main system and they go into these larger tanks that are 600 gallons each.
We have 6 of these fish tanks in our system. These fish will stay in here until they're about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds in harvesting size.
So what separates us from your typical fish farm is that the waste is continuously filtered out of the fish tank. It then goes into our clarifier where it's filtered out and the nutrient-rich clean water goes into our raft bed of plants.
Remain calm. Let us show you how we get them started.
So this is where we get our seeds started. They're in these trays for 10 days.
You can see here we got a few different types starting to grow. We got some romaine butter and some summer crisp. So for another 10 days, we put them in these NFT tray tables. We pull them out of here and they go into the system.
The lettuce from seed to harvest takes about 40 to 50 days depending on the variety. And then the plant roots just sit in the water just like that, and that's how they grow. We appreciate you watching our video. For more information, check out our website, tribecountryfarms.com, or look at our Facebook or Instagram page.
Thanks for checking us out. We gotta get back to work and harvest some more lettuce.